Hey everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all super well. So as you can see from the title of this video and the fact that I have freshly bleached roots, I'm going to be dyeing my hair. I'm not going to lie, I struggled picking a colour because I've still got undertones of like blue in my hair. I've got a bit of green through the front. I don't know whether you can tell on the camera. So yeah, I was a bit worried picking certain colours in case they didn't come out right. And anyway, I've done a little bit of inspo stalking on Instagram and having a little look on Pinterest, and I don't know, I've kind of just come up with this look and I really hope it looks okay. I have never dyed my hair this colour before. So yeah, guys, I'm going to be dyeing my hair grey and neon green. Fingers crossed this looks okay. So I've picked two crazy colours. I've got graphite, which is obviously like kind of like a deep kind of greyish colour. And I've also got the toxic UV green, which I've used before. This is actually the leftover bit on my fringe right here. So yeah, I'm going to be doing my fringe. Oops. My fringe in neon green and the back of my hair in this grey colour. I've also got the crazy colour black just in case I want to, well, I'm just going to see what this graphite colour looks like in the bowl first, but I might want it a little bit deeper or a bit lighter. So I've got black dye to add in if I want it a bit darker, and I've got conditioner next to me, white conditioner, to make it a bit lighter. It's going to kind of like mix my own grey and not use it straight out the pack. I've got 2 bottles of it. Obviously, just in case I run out, it's always good to have 2 when you're drying your hair. And then, yeah, I've got my bowl, gloves, brushes, all in front of me. And I really hope this looks okay. I've never dyed my hair grey before. Yeah, we shall see. But I'm hoping that when it fades, it's going to be like a really nice silvery kind of colour, which will hopefully allow me to then dye my hair other different colours afterwards. Yeah, I'm just really trying to get rid of these undertones of blue without using bleach or any kind of colour remover, just because it is damaging to my hair, and my hair has felt a little bit damaged lately because I kept forgetting to order Olaplex. But anyway, right, let's get on with dyeing my hair.
We've had this conversation and you seem to agree with me, but when there's complications, you withdraw and leave me to be. When there's a problem, you become like a wall, and every time I trip, it's a free fall. Why don't you help me the way I help you? You don't have to save me, just be my parachute. When I'm feeling down, you're just not there, making sure I'm okay. Why don't you help me the way I help you? had this conversation, and you seem to agree with me. But when there's complications, you withdraw and leave me to be. When there's a problem, you become like a wall, and every time I trip, it's a free fall. Why don't you help me the way I help you? You don't have to save me, just be my parachute. When I'm feeling down, you're just not there, making sure I'm okay. Why don't you help me the way I help?
That's it, guys. The dye is on. I am not entirely sure how this is going to turn out because it looks a little bit like purpley bluey, but we shall see. I'm not sure yet. I need to see it with the whole fringe out and everything. But yeah, the dye's on. I'm going to leave it on for about 40 minutes and then I will wash it out, style my hair, and I'll be back to show the finished look. So keep on watching. Guys, I'm back and this is the finished look. What do we think? I really like it. I love this like triangle shape going on that I've got with my fringe and like the neon green. I think it looks really cool. Like, look how cool it is from the side. It's wicked. I also think the grey worked really, really well considering my undertones were like kind of blonde, a bit of blue, a bit of green. There was, I think, even some hints of pink in there. Like, it's got a really even coverage. I'm glad I put in a little bit of the black just to kind of darken the grey a little bit. I have to say I feel like it's quite a bluey grey. So I feel like when it fades, maybe it will go like an icy blue. That would look cute. So yeah. Keep up with my Instagram if you want to see the hair fade, and also keep up with my future YouTube videos because obviously I will have this hair and it will just fade out. But yeah, I'm really pleased with the coverage. It looks great. Love this neon toxic UV fringe I've got going on. It's very funky. Yeah, I really like it. I've never ever been grey before. I don't know why. But I like it. I think it's cool. What do you guys think? Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. I've linked the hair dye below if you fancy buying it and giving it a go yourself. And yeah, I think that is all from me. I will see you guys in another video very, very soon. Peace out, and I hope you guys are super safe and well.